If you dey create content on YouTube and your videos no dey get view, you see this video you see here na for you. In this channel, I dey teach beginners how to create content. Anything wey you dey do for YouTube, whether you dey do cooking or comedy or entertainment, anything wey you dey do for YouTube, even if you come here come search something, here I go teach you how you go search wetin you want, how you go create anything wey you wan create in a simple local English here on YouTube. So in this video, we want to talk about wetin make your videos no dey get view. A lot of people are lamenting, people are complaining, say my video no dey get view, my video no dey get view. You get wetin make your video no dey get view? As a beginner, a new YouTuber, YouTube never trust your content. YouTube no know your video. YouTube no know your face. So YouTube, as you upload your video, YouTube no fit carry your video go dey distribute am left and right. Wetin YouTube go do be say e go take time study your video. Wetin make your video no dey get view? No be say your video no dey okay or wetin you dey create no dey okay for YouTube. Wetin cause am be say you no get wetin dem dey call return viewers. Return viewers na those people wey like your content, wey dey like watch anytime you upload your video, and you no get history. Your channel no get history. Nobody know you for YouTube. Na only you waka come. So na wetin make your videos no dey get view. Anytime wey you upload your video, YouTube go carry and give small people make dey check whether the video dey okay. If you come get luck, those who come watch your video come say this video dey okay o, YouTube go carry am dey give more people, dey give more people, and that time you go come dey get view. But for now wey nobody know you for YouTube, wey only you waka come for YouTube, your videos no dey get view. Anybody wey dey tell you say if you upload your video today e go dey get millions of views, my brother, my sister, they wan give you heart attack or high BP. You no dey get view like that. Na gradual process, wetin oyibo call gradual process, na like that e dey be until you go come stand gidigba for YouTube come dey get view. So now wetin make me, I go tell you now, say anytime when you dey create your content, make sure say your content, say you plan and you wash your hand, create am well, so that if YouTube carry and go give those small technical people wey dey give your content to test am, those people go like your content, they go comment for your content, the YouTube go now carry that content dey give other people. Now that one go come bring wetin oyibo dey call viral. Your video go come dey reach many people, and e dey take time. Na gradual process. Another thing wey make your video no dey get view na wetin I don talk before, which dey call return viewers. Return viewers na people wey be say they like your video, people wey be say anytime when you create content say they must watch am, and as you dey now dey watch me, get person wey be say you no fit see im video make you no watch am. So na them dey call return viewers. Those wey be say dem dey always watch your video. Na that thing na im be different between you and the person wey dey get view. That person wey dey get view, e don get return viewers, e don get people wey dey standby wey dey watch im content. You wey only you waka come, you no get those people. Shey you understand me? So no go dey give yourself heart attack. Say my video no dey get view, I don post for 1 week, I don post for 2 weeks, I don dey here for 6 months, my video no dey get. I go soon tell you wetin make you for 6 months say your channel never grow. For this video, just stay for this video, you go hear wetin make your channel don dey long, you no get view. No dey. Another thing wey dey make your video no dey go anywhere na wetin dey call title and thumbnail. Title na name wey you give the video. Thumbnail na the billboard, soundboard, wey dey for the video wey you use cover the video. Na im be thumbnail. The other one na title. If your title be something wey people no dey search for, you no go get view, because your face nobody know you. People no know you. Big YouTubers, people dey watch, even if when they create something wey no dey funny, you go watch, you go like am. Na their face you dey like, no be the video. But now nobody like you. Wetin fit make you carry people waka come your channel come watch your video? Na the thumbnail wey you put. Make sure say your thumbnail dey bright. Make sure say your thumbnail dey shout click me. Na that one go make people watch your video. Your thumbnail must carry wetin oyibo dey call curiosity driving. Make people say, oh wow, wetin happen, I wan watch. Na wetin be that. And another thing na title. That is why they tell people say if you wan create content, go search wetin dey go on for your niche. That niche wey you dey, check wetin dey get view there. Let's say YouTube growth, for example. This topic wey I wan tell you now, how to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. This topic, you know, they die for YouTube. Like how to get view, they know they die. See this 3 topics why I tell you. Any other topic feel come for trending or just day by the side. But see these 3 topics, they know they die. People they search how their videos go get view. People go search how they go get 1,000 subscribers. People they search how they go monetize their channel. People they look for how to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. So this thing make this topic no go die like for YouTube. So if you want create content, say you want start dey make content today and you want go into YouTube grade, wait, go check people wey dey do that thing wey you dey do. Check whether that title wey dey use, whether e dey get view. If that title dey get view, go create something wey dey like that. Na this one go bring you out. Another thing wey make you no dey get view be say no dey gree do trending. You no like trending at all. You wan dey for your own jeje, dey create wetin you wan create. You no dey work like that. So you go call demand and supply. Na wetin YouTube dey do. Anything wey dey trend, na that one wey all greed you wan carry give people. So if you wan do anything wey no be wetin dey trend at that time, you no go get view. So you go dey follow wetin dey trend. If they say na here dey trend, you go try create content based on that. Dey create wetin be your own niche. No be say e dey happen for comedy. You wey dey YouTube growth, you go follow them dey do comedy trend. You go confuse the upgrade. If upgrade dey confused, your video no go get view. So you go need to make sure say you dey follow wetin dey trend for your niche. Anything wey dey trend for your niche, dey create content for that side. Na e go make you get view. No dey allow anybody wey go tell you say come today on YouTube, get 100 subscribers today on YouTube. You no dey work like that. Everything for YouTube na gradual process. Once you start dey create, YouTube algorithm you no know whether you wan stay for YouTube or whether you just dey do fun. They no know whether na business you can do. Now as you dey create, as time dey go on, now they go come dey study your channel. They go come dey send am to people wey need that content. Because once you upload your video, they no know wetin dey inside your video. So now as you dey upload, they go come know say okay, this video na so people get am, this one na so people get am. They come start dey distribute am to people wey get the video. Another thing wey people dey ignore na to pick niche. Wetin oyibo call niche. Niche na the kind of content wey you wan dey create for your channel. A lot of us, even me wey dey tell you here now, when I dey create my YouTube channel, I dey create everything. Anything wey I see wey dey trend, I go create am put for my channel. If na motivation dey trend today, I go create am for my channel. If na YouTube growth dey trend, I go create am for my channel. If na comedy, entertainment, cooking, anything wey dey pass, wey dey trend, I go pack everything dey put for my channel. Because you know dey easy to say you wan do one niche for YouTube, especially when you dey start. You know that time your mind, you wan get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. You wan get them anyhow. You don't even care how you take call. So you go there, upload. That's why I dey upload. I upload everything wey cross my way. But this you know they help our channel grow. Instead they go draw your channel back. If you not carry one particular thing where you will upload for YouTube, just hold one thing where you upload for YouTube. My dear, you go take for YouTube. If you upload for 6 months, 1 year, you never get the kind of view where your channel is send. So you go need to choose one thing where you go there do. When they do anything wey pass, you follow. You no go help you for YouTube. I dey tell you as I dey here, I dey tell you the truth. You no go help you. Today for YouTube, you go need to do something wey people don't know you for. Something where people say, okay, now this person they do this. Anytime they come, they go see. Maybe today they go see they do YouTube growth. Tomorrow na comedy they go see for your channel. Next tomorrow na cooking. The other day na motivation. You go confuse the upgrade, and also you go confuse the viewers. The audience will get confused. Remember, anytime when you upload your video, YouTube go push am. Not say YouTube go leave your video. YouTube go push am. Now it go there for people who want watch am, whether they go watch am or not. So that is why I dey tell you now. Say make you make sure say that is what they call title and thumbnail wey dey for your video. It dey help you to advertise your content. Because if they no all click on that thing and watch it, they no go know the wetin you put inside your video. They no go know that beautiful video where you prepare. It's very important say you go make sure say your title and thumbnail are then complete. Before you go even think of creating the content, you go think of how to package your titles and thumbnail. Another thing I want to tell you now, say this one a truth wey nobody will tell you. For YouTube, you go get patient too. My sister, you go get patient. You go need to soak yourself. Say I dey for this thing. I go do am. You go get patient. If you not get patient, you no go fit do YouTube. YouTube go frustrate you. It go turn you up. It go turn you down. Sometimes your watch hour go grow, reach like 300. You go wake up one morning, nothing dey again. You don't go down. I go see message where somebody sent to somebody's email said my watch hour was 3,490 something watch hour. I woke up this morning, I dey see 150 watch hour. Waiting happen. My sister go make video concerning waiting happen. So YouTube go frustrate you. It go make you your mind, your head, you go one blow. Because sometimes you go upload video, no go get view. Sometimes your subscribers go just dey stagnant, you no dey move. Sometimes you go wake up like this, your subscribers wey you get, all of them don disappear. Because a lot of us dey go do one thing inside YouTube, we dey do am, dey think say we use am dey help our channel. We no dey help our channel o. I go still make video concerning that one. My sister, you go get patience. YouTube need time. You need time. You need patience. You need to get patient. Don't go quit when your glory don dey reach. When your time don dey reach, you go quit. Don't quit. Just dey do am jeje. Anyone wey you fit do, if na 2 times, if you upload 1 week, just upload. Get patience. And the ones wey you dey do am. Make sure say anytime when you upload video, the one wey you upload today better pass the one wey you upload yesterday. Yes, make am say any video wey you upload, e get value well well. You package am with value before you bring am out. No go bring video wey no make sense give people. A lot of people no go watch am, they go ignore am. And if people start dey ignore your video, my sister, my brother, e go affect you. Anytime when you upload video, check your like, check your comment. If you get enough like, if you get comment, if they tell you say this your video dey okay. But if you no dey get like, you no dey get comment, go check, go to analytics. Wetin they call analytics na where you go check how your video dey perform for YouTube. Go there, go check, know wetin dey happen, decide wetin wey no correct, make am work. Get patient, cool your mind, jeje. E go see the thing go work out. If you like this channel, you like wetin we dey do here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel, we no dey for big grammar. We go tell you as e dey happen for YouTube. No go dey go give yourself headache. You say that you go take your time, build your channel very solid. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to other people wey need this language wey we dey speak, wey like this channel, wey you know say they get this problem, say their video no dey get view, so that they no go get heart attack say their video no dey get view. See you the next time. I'll bring you another wonderful video. Bye bye.